Hello everybody, got myself a Mini 3 Pro. Finally, after 12 weeks of shipping, it reached here. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is the Amazon version, $909. After taxes, like $951. Let's see what's in it. Ooh. Well, that was quick. There she is. And controller, smaller package for wires. So it pretty much comes with the drone itself, of course. Why not? Right here, the baby stay. In comparison to the Mini 1, this is it right there. Looks a little bit more like a bee, like a you know, the bomber in the front. Here we got the controller. Nice, feels nice too. So most of you guys who have the RC, the smart RC, probably are used to this stuff already, but this is pretty much what it looks like. The sticks are in the backside over here. So I brought a couple. This is the mini controller in comparison to it. Mavic 2 Pro controller in comparison. And then this is the Mavic 3 controller in comparison to that. So now you guys have an idea. It's pretty much almost the same size. Actually a little bit lighter, way lighter than the Mavic 3 controller without a screen. And then we have a small box, probably containing like the manual, pretty much manual, extra propellers, like a double pack. USB-C to USB-C wire, a tiny screwdriver for your propellers, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing. And then we have also the battery in the back over here somehow. Oh, what is this for? I don't want to break it. What is this? Oh, that's the battery. So there's like two clips. I guarantee you they're gonna break off at the end or everything. Can you guys see this? These clips right here. These clips right here. I guarantee you that they're gonna break off because they're like, you can push them in pretty far. So after a while, the battery is not really that great anymore. I guarantee you that thing is gonna break off. Port in the back over here for the SD card. The USB-C plug-in right here. Tiny, super tiny, mini. So in comparison to the Mini 1, so this is the Mini 1 and the Mini 3. So they are pretty similar to each other. Sub 250 grams. So I'll be force-turning through everything and then stay tuned. So there's a button right here for the power and there's like no power whatsoever right now. So yeah, I'll be charging this bad boy up and get back to you guys on another video. Aloha.